let's just go get it. See if I can get a battery on some of these.
It's pretty serious, man.
It's like shoot it at the most. It was just like there was a Czech convoy. There was a family of these Czechs in 3 different vehicles.
You guys were really patient. I guess you didn't have many choices.
No, we didn't. But
Do you remember when you walked?
yeah. Wow.
That looks great. So that one they molded over the contour, right? It's made all the difference.
Hey, wait a minute. You got money? You got some money? How about you? You got some money? Come on. You got some money? Come on, let's go. Alright, there we go. Where is it? $5, that's all you got, huh?
Saliendo a trabajar, tienes que levantarte temprano, para trabajar en esa línea, quieres hacer del mundo un lugar mejor.
Hey, Carla, you know you still owe me money for that syphilis test.
Hello. Before we start, I'd just like to explain.
36 years old, incarcerated, 1.6 years, 3.4 years, 3.5 years, armed robbery, grand theft auto, assault with deadly weapon, resisting arrest.
Yes, but before we start, I just explained something.
Violation of Penal Code 231A, 281 Metro Transit Agreement, C4, such.
Right, that's what I want to talk about, because what happened this morning, there was a...
Immediate extension of parole duration by a further 8 months.
Wait, what? No. Let me, hold on. I was on the train, okay, and what happened is I said something that I probably shouldn't have said, okay? I admit that, all right? But the two droids, right, and they didn't, you know, there was a missing...
On your locker. So it's your choice, okay? In or out? Hey, right now.
Alright, so this, my friend, this can be your ticket up there. One last job for me, you work your way up.
Set.
And set.
This is the guy. He's the guy. This is him. Sit down. Oh, let me see that.
The monk is special. Yeah, like this. Yeah, we're gonna cook you up real good on you.
Very nice, son. Good. Really nice. And let's get him an ID first.
Yeah, okay, man. Let's get the chief one of my identification codes. Vamos. Right in there. Yeah, much DNA. Oh, see? You fit in like you were born there. That was the real fun.
can't beat you for that last line.
Ready and action. Gun.
Gun!
And cut. And 3, 2, 1. And cut.
He gives me his gun and I'm like, blah, 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 blah.
But more
like
gangster,
that.
more Snoop Dogg.
He's right.
I'm like this. And then, we cut.
Like that movie Juice.
What'd you say to me, man? Damn, man!
Ready and action. All cameras set. Here we go. Ready and action.
Bring it!
And grenade. And boom!
But don't hit the mark!
And freeze, freeze. Gun in.
Sit.
Okay, here we go. Ready and 3, 2, 1, action. And cut.
Guys come running up. And they come running up and they go.
You pull that off your desk. You've got like Joe's thing on your thing.
Like for anyone who's paying attention to the film, they see it on
See
it,
it? And it's there the whole time.
And boom!
Don't hit the mark!
And freeze. And gun in. Here we go. Ready and 3, 2, 1, action.
And Troy!
Cut. That was good, James. Let's check that.
Okay, let's check that, guys. If the gate's good, we're going to lunch.
Hey, Mark.
Hey, Mark.
60 frames. Come on.
Set. Okay, here we go. Ready and 3, 2, 1, action.
Hang on.
No!
I've done this before. It's not my first rodeo. Not acting, it's the first time I've ever acted. I mean, jacking someone's brain. I've done that before. I have kids. That's what we're supposed to do.
That's a wrap.
Come on, we gotta go.
On fire. Ready and fire.
Okay, can we have no gaps between...
Okay, here we go. Ready and action.
Just make it into the shot. You know, that acting's really good. Too bad it's not on screen.
I wish that was on the behind the scenes.
Oh, it's right there. I made sure that was on there, dude.
Experience versus talent.
Action.
Rolling on a 3, 2, 1. Resetting, guys, resetting.
Nice boy. Wow. And action. And cut. Set. Here we go. Ready and action. And Thorn. Ready and action.
Here we go. Ready. And 3, 2, 1, go. And 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, and down. Slowly. 1, go.
Don't crush those other files, guys. One, action. Okay, here we go. Ready and action. Okay, here we go. Ready and 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, I know, I was just saying, I just thought that if there was any kind of question, if it was a quick thing to throw it in, and just have to double check and make sure it's...
Oh no, I didn't even see. I just felt the warmth. I was like, Yeah, can you please put the black blanket over Kruger? Excellent camera. There we go. This is a cool one.
Cut.